Take a moment to look closely at this marvel of nature. Layers upon layers, a perfect spiral of crisp, vibrant leaves. This is cabbage, a vegetable so common, so deeply woven into the fabric of cuisines around the world, that we often forget the incredible power it holds within its humble form. For centuries, from ancient civilizations to bustling modern kitchens, it has been a steadfast source of nourishment, a symbol of resilience and abundance. But what if I told you that this everyday vegetable is far more than just a simple staple? What if the key to unlocking a new level of vitality, energy, and radiant health was waiting for you in the produce aisle, disguised as this unassuming, leafy globe? Many of us associate cabbage with simple, perhaps uninspired dishes. We might think of it as just the crunchy base for coleslaw at a summer barbecue, or maybe a boiled side dish from our childhood. But today, we're going to peel back those layers and challenge everything you thought you knew. We're going on a journey to rediscover this incredible food, not just as an ingredient, but as a cornerstone of a healthier, more vibrant life. It's time to elevate cabbage from a forgotten side dish to the superstar of your plate. This isn't just about adding another vegetable to your diet. It's about embracing a powerhouse of nutrition that can deliver transformative results. Imagine feeling lighter and more energized, thanks to a digestive system that works in perfect harmony. Picture your immune system, fortified and ready to defend you. Envision your skin glowing with a natural, healthy radiance. And consider the profound impact on your long-term wellness, from supporting a healthy heart to aiding in natural weight management. Cabbage is truly a super veggie, and the science backs it up. In today's video, we'll embark on a comprehensive exploration of this amazing vegetable. We'll start by diving deep into its impressive nutritional profile, uncovering the specific vitamins, minerals, and unique plant compounds that make it so beneficial. Then, we'll explore the incredible science-backed health benefits one by one, from boosting your digestion and helping you achieve your weight loss goals, to strengthening your immune system and even improving your skin health. And because knowing is only half the battle, we'll then move into the kitchen. I'll show you simple, delicious, and creative ways to incorporate more cabbage into your meals, far beyond just boiling it. We'll cover everything from refreshing salads and hearty soups to savory sautés that your whole family will love. We'll also share essential tips on how to select the best cabbage at the store and how to store it properly to maximize its freshness and nutritional value. Finally, we'll touch upon a few important considerations to ensure you can enjoy all its benefits safely. So, get ready to transform your health, one crunchy, delicious leaf at a time. Let's begin our journey into the wonderful world of cabbage. Now, let's peel back the layers and take a closer look at the impressive nutrition profile of cabbage. It might look simple, but this humble vegetable is a true nutritional powerhouse, packing an incredible amount of goodness into every single leaf. It's one of the most accessible and affordable superfoods you can find, making it easy to add a wealth of health benefits to your meals without breaking the bank. Let's start with the basics. Cabbage is incredibly low in calories. A single cup of chopped raw cabbage contains only about 22 calories. This makes it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to manage their weight. You can eat a large, satisfying portion that fills you up, without consuming a lot of calories. It's a perfect example of a high-volume, low-energy density food. But its benefits go far beyond just the calorie count. First up is vitamin C. You might associate this essential vitamin with oranges and lemons, but cabbage is another excellent source. Just 1 cup provides over half of your recommended daily intake. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage, supports a healthy immune system to fight off colds, and is crucial for producing collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and healthy. Next, we have vitamin K. Cabbage is absolutely loaded with it, especially vitamin K1. A single cup can provide well over 85% of your daily needs. This vitamin is vital for a process called blood coagulation, which means it helps your blood clot properly when you get a cut. It also plays a key role in bone health by helping to direct calcium to your bones and teeth, keeping them strong. Let's talk about fiber. Cabbage is a great source of dietary fiber, particularly insoluble fiber. This is the type that doesn't dissolve in water and is often called roughage. It helps add bulk to your stool and promotes regular bowel movements, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Getting enough fiber also helps you feel full and satisfied after a meal, further aiding in weight management. Cabbage also provides a good amount of folate, which is a crucial B vitamin. Folate is essential for healthy cell growth and function, and it plays a critical role in forming red blood cells and DNA. It's especially important for women of childbearing age, as it helps prevent major birth defects of the baby's brain and spine. And we can't forget the antioxidants. Cabbage, especially the red variety, is rich in powerful plant compounds. These include polyphenols and, most notably, anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are the pigments that give red cabbage its beautiful, vibrant color. They are potent antioxidants that have been linked to numerous health benefits, particularly for your heart. They work like a cleanup crew in your body, neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation. So, to sum it up, cabbage is low in calories, virtually fat-free, and absolutely brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and powerful antioxidants. It's a simple, versatile, and incredibly effective vegetable for supporting your body's health in so many different ways, from your bones to your heart to your immune system. Trying to lose weight naturally? Cabbage is your perfect ally. It's high in fiber and water content, which keeps you full longer and reduces hunger cravings. That's why many detox and slimming diets include cabbage soup or cabbage salads. Cabbage is rich in dietary fiber, which helps improve bowel movements and prevents constipation. It also supports the growth of healthy gut bacteria, keeping your digestive system strong and active. Cabbage is packed with vitamin C, one of the strongest immunity-boosting vitamins. It helps your body fight infections, speed up wound healing, and protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. The antioxidants, vitamin C, and sulfur compounds in cabbage keep your skin glowing and youthful. They fight acne, dryness, and dullness, while the vitamins nourish your hair from root to tip, naturally promoting shine and growth. Cabbage, especially red cabbage, contains powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds help reduce inflammation, control blood pressure, and protect against heart disease. Eating cabbage regularly can truly be heart smart. The best way to enjoy cabbage is raw in salads, lightly steamed, or made into fresh juice. Avoid overcooking it, as that can destroy some of its vitamins. You can also add it to soups, stir-fries, or smoothies for a nutrition boost. And so, we come to the end of our deep dive into the world of cabbage. We've journeyed from the sun-drenched fields where it grows, to the bustling markets where it's sold, and right into the heart of our kitchens. We've uncovered its incredible nutritional secrets, from the vitamin C that bolsters our immunity to the vitamin K that strengthens our bones. We've explored how its rich fiber content can revolutionize our digestive health and support steady, sustainable weight loss. It's truly remarkable how much power is packed into this humble, leafy vegetable. We've seen how the antioxidants, like polyphenols, and the vibrant anthocyanins in red cabbage, act as our body's personal defense team, fighting off cellular damage and reducing inflammation. We've learned how compounds like sulforaphane work behind the scenes to support our body's natural detoxification processes, helping to keep us feeling clean and vibrant from the inside out. It's not just food, it's functional medicine, provided by nature itself. But knowing all this is one thing. Putting it into practice is where the real magic happens. And it doesn't have to be complicated. So next time you go grocery shopping, don't just walk past that leafy green gem. Pick one up. Feel its weight and freshness. Take it home and start simple. You could begin your journey with a crisp, refreshing coleslaw. Forget the heavy, store-bought kind. Just shred some cabbage, grate in a carrot, and toss it with a light vinaigrette of olive oil, lemon juice, and a touch of honey. It's the perfect side for any meal. Feeling a bit more adventurous? Try a quick and easy stir-fry. Sauté some garlic and ginger, toss in your favorite protein like chicken or tofu, and then add a generous amount of shredded cabbage. It cooks down in minutes, soaking up all the delicious flavors of your sauce while adding a satisfying crunch. Or, for a comforting and nourishing meal, a simple cabbage soup is unbeatable. Just simmer it with some vegetable broth, onions, carrots, and herbs. It's a bowl of pure comfort that warms you from the inside out. Cabbage is affordable, it's incredibly versatile, and as we've seen, it is absolutely brimming with life-enhancing nutrients. By making it a regular feature in your meals, you're not just adding variety to your plate. You're making a conscious investment in your long-term well-being. You're choosing to nourish your body, support its natural defenses, and build a foundation of vitality. Make it a part of your daily meals and truly feel the difference in your health, your digestion, and your overall energy levels. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, more energized, and with a clearer mind. Picture your skin glowing with health and your body feeling strong and resilient. This is the promise of a diet rich in whole, natural foods, and cabbage is one of its brightest stars. It's a simple change that can lead to profound results, empowering you to take control of your health one delicious meal at a time. We hope this journey has inspired you to see this everyday vegetable in a new, extraordinary light. Thank you for watching Purely Healthy Food, your go-to channel for natural wellness and healthy living. We believe that the path to health is paved with delicious, simple, and accessible choices. Join us next time as we explore another of nature's amazing gifts. Until then, stay healthy.